Lamborghini, a renowned Italian luxury sports car manufacturer, is synonymous with style, power, and performance. Founded in 1963 by Ferruccio Lamborghini, the company has established itself as a symbol of automotive excellence and a dream for car enthusiasts worldwide. One of the defining characteristics of Lamborghini cars is their striking and aggressive design. Every Lamborghini model boasts a bold and distinctive appearance, featuring sharp lines, aerodynamic curves, and iconic scissor doors that add to their allure. The attention to detail and meticulous craftsmanship can be seen in every aspect, from the sleek bodywork to the luxurious interiors. Performance is at the heart of every Lamborghini. These cars are engineered to deliver mind-boggling speed, blistering acceleration, and unparalleled handling capabilities. Whether it's the iconic Aventador, the dynamic Huracan, or the powerful Urus SUV, Lamborghini vehicles are equipped with cutting-edge technology and powerful engines that generate an exhilarating driving experience. Lamborghini is known for its dedication to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. The company constantly innovates and introduces new technologies to enhance performance, such as advanced aerodynamics, lightweight materials, and all-wheel drive systems. Each model is meticulously tested and refined to ensure optimum performance on both the road and the track. Beyond their performance credentials, Lamborghini cars have become symbols of luxury and status. Owning a Lamborghini represents a lifestyle of opulence and exclusivity. The brand's presence in popular culture, including movies, music videos, and high-profile events, further adds to its desirability and iconic status. Lamborghini continues to evolve and adapt to the changing automotive landscape. As sustainability and environmental consciousness become increasingly important, the company has embraced hybrid technology, introducing hybrid versions of its supercars to combine performance with improved efficiency. In summary, Lamborghini cars are more than just vehicles. They are a testament to Italian craftsmanship, a celebration of automotive passion, and a source of inspiration for car enthusiasts around the world. With their striking design, exhilarating performance, and unmistakable presence, Lamborghini continues to captivate and inspire those who appreciate the art of driving.